Once upon a time, ang usa ka payot nasa diri sa Panglao Beach Resort. Hello everyone, Rampa. Pak o ang mga tiyan, taguan, di ba? Pak. Ana. So na ako diri karon sa likod. Ang kaganapan dinhi sa Aluna Beach Resort. Ang kaganapan sa Aluna Beach Resort. Super rampa ang bayot ha. Gabiin ang dako, kadlaw ng dako. No? Mag-ambak-ambak. Ate, mag-picture tate. I doubt, ipakita na ko akong tiyan kay. Guys, watch out.
Muna lang nakita.
Hello, Lord. Dili na siya ako mati. Pantog ra hindi ka utto gani. Sa una kay pariutto ra kono. Hindi ko magpariutto mangita na pugong stocks.
Enjoy your life.
Enjoy your life while you're living. Live your life to the fullest. Because you're not full. Foolish. Guys. Kapo yan yung takalihok tayo yun. Hello everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Pak na Pak and I'm here at Panglao Beach Resort. This is the news for tonight. Here at Panglao Beach Resort, there's a lot of activities here. And you know, there's a lot of pubs, hotels that you can check in. There's a lot of bars that you can hang out. And you know, the beaches are very nice. Look at the beach shore. The beach shore. And that is the news for today. This is Pak again, once again. Thank you so much and good evening. Bye. Ready, go. Go na.
Padagat. Piyawa. Nga niyo. Bugo. Hoy, bawal magbugo-bugo niya.
Sa labot ibang bagay ko, ha? Wakay labot.
Sure, labot.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm very happy that I am invited with my neighbor, Chenjan. Thank you so much. Shout out sa iyo. Thank you sa pag-blowout for yan. Kumain kami kanina, no? And I'm very much happy. Thank you so much.
With fire, dreams as high as the sky. Strength is
And of course, maraming foreigner kanina, maraming magagandang tanawin, iba-ibang kultura, at saka ano, ang ganda ng beach po nila kasi super linis po ng beach, white sand beach. And that's all, thank you and good evening, bye.